What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I am filming this video at the right time. I just hit 5,000 subscribers and you guys can tell that I'm so happy right now. Thank you guys so much for all your love and all your support. A massive thank you to everybody that has followed me for the past few months, and everybody that has been following me right from when I started my channel. I truly appreciate. Thank you guys for making me get to 5,000 subscribers, and cheers to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That's the goal, that's the plan. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I maintain and moisturize my mini braids weekly. This is basically what I do during the week. So today I'll be showing you guys my dandruff treatment, how I moisturize my hair, and everything I do. So it's always different every single time. Today I used something different. Sometimes I use leave-in conditioners and other things, but today I used basically oils and yeah, I just basically used an oil. So I'm going to show you guys what I did, and without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I keep up and maintain my braids weekly. So I'll keep on updating you guys about these braids. I'm not sure how long I'm going to carry these mini braids, but for now I don't think I'm taking this down anytime soon. I mean, I can wear my wig on top of it, so I don't need to take it down. If it gets really old, maybe by the end of a month or 2 months, I will just rebraid it, and I'm going to update you guys on that anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.